to other stuff, but not to the charge.
So it'd be, three, this one's.
You gotta write the
Is it up here?
name
But,
of the compound use report.
But they're not
Oh,
even.
so what do we do for polyatomic line? That's another copy of it.
It's already,
Well,
I think we
you're gonna
gotta do
double it,
that.
but what happens when we need to add them or not after the polyatomic line? We write.
Parentheses.
And those are,
That's what I'm saying, so we gotta write the name out like I did here.
okay, well, but
I
two
know,
times two is
but
four.
that's
Oh,
it
wait,
says,
I forgot
Yes.
it's
all dies in the right formula. first name.
It is early.
It is. Alright, so that was the hard part though.
Yes.
So now you just named it, and what are they called?
Okay, yeah, transition middle is already done.
It is. No Roman numerals, we're good.
Yes.
Alright, so look on Google Classroom and there's a place for you to type that in, or you can just take pictures of the screen.
This would be the.
Reference, instructions,
Or if
and.
you like to type or you wanna write.
I got it.
Alright, what we got?
Are we writing this in the abbreviation or the entire name?
You're gonna write the whole name.
Okay, we writing the whole name.
You're gonna write, oh, okay, so,
These are the die and
no, you got metals. The only ones you can use the dyes on are the covalents. Alright, so, are you calling the abbreviation the formula, like the H2O?
It says, all dies in right formula. Are you using the chem quiz from yesterday?
Okay. Yeah, well, the formula is where you balance the charges.
like, where we find.
Oh, but that one's pretty, it's 3 and 3, cancel each other out.
Yeah. and then
So I just write,
A, wait, where is? I would just put A, capital A. What they said. P. Or did the report. Right?
Oh.
the reschedule, alright, so that's your formula. Now you need to write your name.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now you know what to do.
Uh-huh.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Okay, so it's a whole
Alright, Kristen, you ready yet or not yet?
Oh, wait. Wait, I needed a recipe.
I might not be good. Okay, I might not be good.
I have them out, but we've been, okay, here's my-
Yellow.
P.O.
This, you see lead is over here, right? But they got the rubber too.
Alright, what'd you make?
Yeah.
It's
Why is lead?
it's in the end.
Alright, so that one
That's
is,
okay.
It's in the
Austin, right
end.
here.
but CHCO3.
I guess. No, she said.
One hydrogen, 3 chlorine.
And then she said.
Don't worry about it.
For Roman numerals. They have Roman numerals.
That one is just carbon sulfide. That one's simple. We only need the simple.
So, what is special?
So you can't name 2 or 5.
Phosphate is another,
Or 10 of them.
that's another one for polyatomic.
So there's R.
This is the topic, it's supposed to be a whole Sabbath chapter. on
Wait,
it.
I think phosphate is one.
And we don't really
Oh, yes,
have that now that
Wait,
we
no, I see hydrogen phosphate.
So today, this actually today is just.
I see
Let's explore, let's build.
Is phosphate, hydrogen phosphate, and hydrogen. Yeah,
So it would be arsenic phosphate, right? Phosphate. Like, it says it would be. Phosphate.
Huh?
I was thinking, I know at the end, like.
Okay.
So it didn't
Okay,
sound
we're
right.
gonna do another one.
Oh, I know why.
Just so that-
Well, the two negatives, so the negative and the positive. Alright, so let's choose arsenic. So let's pretend.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna go shaking football today. So.
I did.
Huh?
Let's pretend it's nickel phosphate.
oh my.
They ain't doing too good.
I didn't see one. I think I see one, I don't know if we had it.
So I can either answer the questions
Shoot, that's
on here,
one
or I
of
can just
the
roll the
pictures
dice
they
and
don't
pick up
have.
something.
No,
Okay, that's different, that's one of the quizzes.
Oh.
For the activity, you can just take a picture and upload all your pictures.
Would it not just be nickel phosphate?
Either one of those. But yes.
Oh, there it is.
Right.
Okay.
Might need to agree. Because nickel can have multiple charges, remember? So I need to tell them which version of nickel I have. So you'll write nickel, Roman numeral 3, phosphate.
I forgot what I had.
But the charge is still that, that's why I picked that. I was just thinking, I figured it out. Okay, are you sure? Alright, so you can, if you wanna type in the chart, you can, if you technically, there's not a medal in that one, but it still is some of the positives and the negatives, so it's still classified as an honor.
Oh, it is. What is it, CO3?
Wait, I'm blind.
Bottom right.
Oh, the first one. Are we out now, Tristan?
Yes, I'm waiting on you.
You at?
I'm waiting on you.
Okay, wait.
We have one, so what's the number for one? It's gonna be like,
We have the charge.
Alright,
The
lithium
charge
fluoride,
is pretty good, but,
fluoride, yeah, okay.
and they're both
So-
like,
This program just
You
started
want
a
to
little weird.
do
I took it out of the just make after we started. So if you need it,
I don't know.
I'll do that one, no matter
I
what.
don't think it's the one.
that doesn't look right. I think you just put it on one. That don't look right.
Okay, prefixes. Number two, not that.
Let me do water. It'll get 30?
Yep. Okay, guys, time to roll my dice. Alright, and it's not gonna, leave it to us. It's not gonna like it. That's the way. Still check that.
It's a habit.
Alright, look at number one.
This is not a dice game. This way.
That's one of the
Yeah, Inspiration Tribe. Who
Roll
has
it up.
three?
Yeah, we're not doing that.
Oh, wait, no, the try is one.
Right, the tribe goes with the bromide. The three
Okay.
needs to be after.
That's it.
And bromide can be low.
That may be,
In my mind, isn't it?
right?
Well, there's more of it there. Right,
get it right there.
Okay, so that one's under what you wanna look at.
I gotta move this over
Wait, no.
in front of
Do you? And why?
because it's right here.
Or-
It's gonna be fluoride.
That one's not a prefix. What does that one mean? So 10 is SN, and the 4 means that it's 4 plus.
So
And
SN4 plus.
fluoride is -1. Right?
Yeah.
So you balance the charges? That's all that Roman numeral 4 means is this. So how do I write that?
Maybe 5.
Is it gonna be a 5?
You get this at the 4, it'd be 5.
I know the
How
name.
did you get this?
Wait, I can help.
I'm not
How
adding.
did you get this?
It's just.
I would help with the board.
This doesn't look like.
Okay, Karen, when this I'm
I'm
trying,
just-
I
I'm
see on my
just-
phone. They got my face? Or we put it off on you? At least I'm trying, and I see on my
So
phone.
that's why I was on that. Because I was like,
I know the name.
so I need 4 copies of that.
It's gonna be a Roman numeral, but if
Check
it's gonna be,
next
that's where I'm cooked it, like the second part. I don't know if it's gonna be a Roman numeral.
Well, you're gonna
Yeah,
need
one
5
after this one,
copies of
So there's something like hands-on I can do.
Alright,
2 of our.
Those are the charges.
It is
Like,
when it's
when you see arson, you see how, why does arson have 5?
Right, take that one again.
This would be your
That's
form.
a 3.
This is your, form.
I see, so somebody's gonna be.
Your name would be with the number, Roman numerals.
Alright, gold has, this copper has, yes. Green hydroxide, yes.
Yeah, it does, so yeah, you specify the 2,
Told you.
and then
It got the hard one. Well, check it.
That's not how it was.
arsenic is 3.
Yeah, I don't know, she just said it. That's not how I was supposed to do it. I thought
But-
you were fine. However many.
But it's still the same thing.
Still go back and
That's
check
not how I was
it.
told. But I, right, when I
What
was,
were you told?
so, copper,
Use this.
Copper 2 means it's gonna be a positive 2. Oxygen is already negative 2.
put it there. Oh,
not.
You would find, however many, you know, like the bigger number, is that what you supposed to do?
When it comes to 2 and 3,
It would be
It's
six,
six.
right, and you would have to,
so you swap them.
right, put
3
this
coppers,
is three,
Check
and this
your
would be
revenue
two.
on
and there's 2 arsenic.
Actually,
Right.
do we need a
Then
revenue
from
or?
there,
That's your formula. Is,
So I'll put a 2 here.
no, 2 stays there.
alright, so that would be the formula, right? And then when we do the name,
Swapping the charges just helps you figure out how many copies of each thing you need for it to be an equal amount. The charge of the actual element does not change, so that needs to be copper too, because that's the charges of copper.
Silver oxide.
Alright, so
And that's what it says on the,
The revenue on 19 makes
guys.
sense. For both meetings.
It needs aluminum, so it'd be,
Not silver, maybe.
it would be the two for the Roman numeral.
No, Roman numerals don't own the formula here. That's, no, your formula is CU, little 3 at the bottom.
yeah, I'm not really.
That's what I was asking.
I thought I was awake this morning.
Arsenic.
We just make sure we smile.
I went to sit down and
Two at the
then.
bottom.
That's what I was asking, is that how it's
Yes,
right?
and then in the name, you write out copper, and then you put 2, and then
2 Roman numerals?
after the word copper.
That's what I was asking.
Yes. I didn't understand the question.
I mean, I knew what I was getting at.
230. Okay, so it'd be
You're like, I don't know how to talk, stop talking.
try, and then D.
Don't need this.
You should be a drag queen.
Y'all, I'm actually really into this
Why can't I use the under contract?
It's really good.
Cadmium and acetate. Cadmium's a metal, so can't use it for everything. Alright, but the cadmium doesn't need a Roman numeral, so it's just cadmium acetate, you're good? Alright, check your numbers on that one.
We're right.
And check your numbers on the next one. No. Alright, you two still good? You sure?
Did you roll?
Of course.
Yeah, so cobalt 3,
That's it.
cobalt can be a positive 3, oxygen's a negative 2.
Guys, what if I just roll all 5 of them and make a big,
Now, if it were cobalt 2, 2 and 2, gives you out. So yeah, just don't forget to balance both charges.
Is the question?
Zinc
That is
one
one
has,
that's-
iron has one charge.
And opposite, and O is opposite.
Good job. Look at those little iron guys. It's like your phone.
That's literally the only. No, I don't know, no, I know these by heart.
You sure you're not having more tomorrow? Okay.
So,
Alright, Kat, how we doing?
fantastic.
For reals? You feel good?
can I not write?
No. We need a rubber band. It's okay, that's easy fix. How about you two?
So.
That's crazy, I just got done telling them that.
Well, like,